This is example how to connect. Let's start here. Okay. And after the login, we will see the Bluetooth number. Let's do biofeedback. And now click to continue. This is the number of this device. This is the number. Now let's close this and let's go to the PC. In the PC, we need to run this BioSignals yellow circle. Double click on this and you will see what will happen. It's checking devices. No need to do any kind of connection. You see, it's already here. So you click on this and log in. And as a result, you will see here blinking icon. The blinking icon is a sign that it's transmit to the cloud.